Hey guys, Jeremiah Stewart here, kinesiologist, and all that really means is that I use science to maximize your fitness results. And in this video, we're talking about medicine ball training and how you can use this in your fitness routine. Medicine balls are weighted balls that come in a variety of sizes, colors, forms, and weights, with the two most distinct forms resembling a dodgeball from our elementary years, or even further back, and they look like those old leather basketballs. Medicine balls can be used in a variety of ways for strength and power training. Since medicine balls are available in specified weights, they can be used with ordinary isotonic or isometric strength training exercises, similar to the way dumbbells, barbells, or weight plates are used. Some medicine balls actually come with handles to allow you to easily mimic many of the exercises you can perform with dumbbells. Medicine balls can be used to build core strength and stability, but they are most often used to train for power. The texture and composition of most medicine balls allows them to be easily handled and used for a variety of exercises. For example, they can be thrown up in the air or against the wall and caught with relative ease. Medicine balls can be used to build core strength and stability. The core muscles, your abs, your lower back, your muscles of your trunk, often are neglected, but they play an essential role in any power training program. Medicine balls can easily strengthen the muscles surrounding the abs. Many of my athletes use this type of exercise to develop the ability to quickly move through a specific muscle action. Although strengthening the muscles around the abs will not directly lead to gains in power, core training with a medicine ball will help you better transfer the power of the movement from your body into whatever action you are performing. For example, stronger abs can help a boxer transfer power from the legs into the abs and ultimately to the arms to throw a punch. This is the same kind of strength that allows pitchers from my era, like Randy Johnson, to throw a baseball upward of 100 miles per hour, and even faster today. Likewise, this strength will help you in everyday life outside of the gym to move relatively heavy weight without risk of injuring yourself. Training with medicine balls can greatly improve variety and diversify your strength and training program. Medicine balls are relatively inexpensive and can be a convenient type of training exercise to perform at home. Now, as with other types of exercise, medicine balls should not be the sole means of exercise. They should always be used in conjunction with other types of training to achieve your ultimate training goals. Hey guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and you'll never miss another rep. And until next time, good luck on your fitness journey. We believe in you. We love you. God bless.